Hey, this is another project brought to you by Gali Vibe Videos. We're gonna go ahead and show you the process of yet staining some boards, putting it in an accent wall within a bedroom, and I'm gonna go through it pretty quickly. So if you like and subscribe or leave your comment or anything's in the forms of upcoming videos, try to upload this weekly and be persistent in commitment yet to it. Always and be safe. Let me walk you through in the name of Jesus. Here's my carnal. Hello, everybody. Okay, so right now is a process. We're using golden oak just to give this stain yet on this board. And you just leave it on there plainly. It just depends how long you like to leave it on there. I leave it on there just a short period of time, and then we just wipe it with a rag because we got quite a bit of boards to go through. As you see, we already stained and got all these boards prepared and situated. So I'm gonna walk through there. You wanna give that a wipe, my carnal?
Yes, sir.
And that'll be the turnout. We usually will burn the other ones, but we're gonna make it different within this back wall. And I'm gonna take you to that area so you can see right now as we get ready. We're coming back through here within this back wall. So this back wall will be here. I'll make a time-lapse video as you see. So this will be the ceiling. We're gonna get situated right here and get started. Okay, so it'll be all up here in the ceiling. We got burnt on here, just regular burn. We went dark burn in here. So within this burn, you will see it all come together, and this will be the ceiling. We're just gonna put regular halo lights and everything within there and stuff and everything else. As we show you the process, we got 2 bedrooms, we got 2 bathrooms, walk-in showers and everything else, and just allow anything else if yet being just persistent and uploading these things all to the glory of God. Always and be safe. God bless.